everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, we have officially started sweet corn harvest. Silver King harvest is here, and we got a long ways to go before we get to the end, but we have started. We're gonna keep on going. For those of y'all who've picked corn or know what I'm talking about, don't be an idiot like I am and go out there and pick it without gloves on, because I've cut my hand so many times over the past several years of me picking this corn, and it ain't fun every time. And sure enough, I started picking and cut my hand. Now I gotta wear gloves, but just wear gloves from the start. Don't get your hands cut. Well, everybody, I think we about wrapped up the picking part of the Silver King. We gotta count it, and we got one more customer coming to buy everything else that we had. Well, everybody, this is the last of the Silver King. I thank all of you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.